Welcome, dear friends, to the Kids Stories channel. You can subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new.
Many parents are looking for short and interesting stories for their children in English. The following is the most beautiful short story in English for children. No matter how much a person tries to hide the truth, there must come a day when the truth will appear before everyone.
Hello my friends, let's get started. One day Sammy and his sister Marie went to visit their grandparents on the farm. Sammy grabbed a slingshot to play with in the woods. But he could never hit it, then went back to the farm to eat, and then went out to play again, and then saw his grandmother's pet duck. Knowing that he could not shoot properly, he let the slingshot fly towards the duck, but this time he hit it in the head and killed it. Sammy grieved greatly, and hid the duck's carcass in the woods, but Mary could see what had happened from the window, but she did not tell him anything, and the next day Grandma asked Mary to wash the dishes, but Mary said, "But Grandma, Sammy told me he would like to do the dishes." Then Mary said to Sammy in a low voice, "Do you remember the duck you killed?" Sammy is nervous knowing that his sister knows about the duck, and if he doesn't do what she wants she will tell his grandmother what happened, so Sammy complies with her and washes the dishes. After some time the grandfather asked if the children liked to go fishing, but the grandmother said, "I'm sorry, I need Mary to help me prepare the food." Mary smiled and said, "Of course Grandma, but Sammy told me he wanted to help you." Then Mary whispered to Sammy again, "Do you remember the duck you killed?" Sammy was silent, and Mary went hunting, while Sammy helped his grandmother, and after several days and Mary is exploiting Sammy, Sammy could not stand it any longer, so he went to his grandmother and told her that he had killed the duck without intending. Grandma hugged Sammy and said to him, "My dear, I know everything, I saw you from the window, but I forgave you because I loved you, while I didn't tell you until I knew how long you would let Mary use you, and until you knew that if you were honest with me and told me from the start, she wouldn't be able to Mary did any of this." If you like it, like and subscribe to the channel.